Hey guys, what's going on? Miles here with another app review. For today's video, we are going to be checking out a WatchOS app that will seriously up your photo game. Now that app is Instagram and it is now out for WatchOS. Now before we get into things, remember if you like these videos, smash that subscribe button guys, and let's get into it. Alrighty, kicking things off. Once you have downloaded the app from the App Store, you are greeted by the home screen. Now remember, for this app to work, you will need to have already downloaded Instagram for your iPhone, as well as set up an Instagram account. Now once you have completed those two steps, you will see two buttons on your WatchOS screen. The first button is your feed button, and the second button is the activities button. Now clicking on the feed button, you'll be taken to your Instagram feed. This will display 9 of the latest posts. Now under each of the posts, you are given two options. The first option allows you to like the post. The second option shows the further details. Now clicking on the further details, you'll be able to see items such as likes, comments, and the user's profile. Now going back to the home screen, you also have your activities feed. This allows you to see the latest details, such as a photo people have liked or a new follower. Now if you click on that post, you will also see more information such as how many likes that picture has received. Now, one thing I did run into when using this app was it unable to connect to my Instagram account. Now, I found that I could fix this issue by simply logging out and logging back into my Instagram account using my iPhone. Now, if that does not fix the issue, I have also found that uninstalling the application both on your iOS device and your Apple Watch should take care of the issue. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, a quick look at how to step up your Instagram game. Now remember, if you like these videos, smash that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright guys, peace!